2012 Child Development and Pedagogy question paper. So first question is, child-centered education was advocated by which of the following thinkers? B.F. Skinner, John Dewey, Erik Erikson, Charles Darwin. Right answer is John Dewey. Next, while teaching a single parent child, a teacher should first treat such a child differently, assign lesser home assignment to such a child, provide stable and consistent environment, overlook this fact and treat such a child at par with other children. Right answer is 4. Next, acceleration with reference to gifted children means accelerating the transaction of scholastic activities, speeding up the transactions of co-scholastic activities, promoting such students to next higher grade by skipping the present grade, accelerating the process of assignment. Right answer is 3rd. Next, which of the following is the most appropriate activity for gifted student? Solve exercises given at the end of 5 chapters at one go. Teach their class on Teachers' Day. Write a report on a school match recently held. Write an original play on given concept. Right answer is 4. Next, which of the following could be an end stage of a child possessing bodily kinesthetic intelligence? Orator, political leader, surgeon, poet. The right answer is 3rd. Next, gifted students are generally physically weak and not good at social instruction, generally do not like their teachers, realize their full potential without any help, perform exceptionally well in any field important to human beings. Right answer is 3rd. Next, knowledge of dash will be most significant for a teacher dealing with a class comprising students of mixed age groups. Cultural background, developmental stages, occupation of their parents, socio-economic background. The right answer is 2. Next, classroom after the implementation of RTE Act 2009 are age-wise more homogeneous, age-wise more heterogeneous, unaffected as RTE does not affect the average age of a class in a school, gender-wise more homogeneous. The right answer is 1. Next, systematic presentation of concept may be related with which of the following principle of development? Student develop at different rate, development is relatively orderly, development leads to growth, development proceed from heteronomy to autonomy. The right answer is 2. Next, scaffolding in the context of learning theories refers to simulation teaching, recapitalization of previous learning, temporary support in learning by adults, ascertaining the causes of mistake done by students. Right answer is 3rd. Next, the sentence Madam drives a bicycle is correct syntactically but semantically incorrect, correct semantically but syntactically incorrect, semantically as well as syntactically correct, semantically as well as syntactically incorrect. The right answer is 1. Next, classification of students in different groups on the basis of their IQ tends to dash their self-esteem and dash their academic performance. Increase, decrease, increase, increase, decrease, decrease, decrease has no effect on. The right answer is 4. Next, Raven's progressive matrices test is an example of dash test. Verbal IQ, cultural free IQ, non-group IQ, personality. The right answer is 2. Next, the news of a woman selling her child to obtain food may be understood best on the basis of psychoanalytical theory, theory of hierarchical needs, psychosocial theory, theory of reinforced contingencies. The right answer is 2. Next, the word comprehensive in the scheme of continuous and comprehensive evaluation is supported by the following except theory of multiple intelligence, theory of information processing, J.P. Guilford theory of structure of intellect, L.L. Thurston's theory of primary mental abilities. The right answer is 3rd. Next, assessment dash learning influences learning by reinforcing the dash between assessment and instruction. First, for connections, for difference, of variance. Right answer is 1. Next, in science practicals, boys generally take control of apparatus and ask girls to record data or wash utensils. This tendency reflects that girl being delicate prefer such less energy consuming tasks. Girls are excellent observers and record data flawlessly. Stereotyping of masculine and feminine roles takes place in school also. Boys can handle equipment more efficiently as they are naturally endowed by during such things. The right answer is third. Next, how teachers and student dash gender in the classroom, it dash the learning environment, interrupt, does not affect, construct, impact, adapt, perturbs, define, vitiates. The right answer is third. Next, the word compulsory in the Right to Free and Compulsory Education 2009 means parents are compulsorily forced to send their children to school to avoid punitive action. Compulsory education will be imparted through continuous testing. Central government will ensure admission, attendance and completion of elementary education. Appropriate government will ensure admission, attendance and completion of elementary education. The right answer is 4. Next, which of the following principle is not involved in lesson planning? Clarity of objective, knowledge of teaching, rigidity of planning, knowledge of pupils. The right answer is third. Next, what does self-regulation of learners mean? Self-discipline and control, ability to monitor their own learning, rules and regulation made by the student body, creating regulations for children behavior. The right answer is 2. Next, the lab schools advocated by John Dewey were examples of factory schools, progressive schools, public schools, common schools. The right answer is 2. Next, group project activity are prescribed by CBSE is a powerful means of facilitating social participation, of alleviating the burden of teachers, of relieving the stress caused due to the routine teaching, to promote the concept of unity in diversity. The right answer is 1. Next, for an intrinsically motivated student, rewards are not at all required. External rewards are not enough to keep her motivated. The level of motivation is lower than an extrinsically motivated student. There is no need of formal education. The right answer is 2. Next, achievement motivation is the tendency to persist at challenging tasks, the tendency to avoid failure, willingness to accept success and failure equally, tendency to act impulsively. The right answer is 1. Next, ideal waiting time for getting response from students should be proportional to time allotted to specific topic in the curriculum, difficulty level of the question, time taken by the student for answering question for previous lesson, relevance of the questions in the real life. The right answer is 2nd. Next, suppose you are the chairperson of a board of school education. How would you plan to improve the overall quality of education in the schools under your jurisdiction? This type of question is an example of high order convergent, high order divergent, lower order convergent, lower order divergent. The right answer is high order divergent. Next, a student says, my mother rang principal ma'am last night. As a teacher, your response should be, oh really? Your mother rang up principal ma'am last night? Did she seek an appointment with her? Dear child, you are not using the correct form of verb. It should not be ringed. It should rather be rang. Why don't you listen carefully? As I told you earlier, it should be rang, not ringed. The right answer is first. Next, children in primary schools follow which of the following stages as proposed by Lawrence Kohlberg? Obedience and punishment, individualism and exchange, good interpersonal relationship, social construct and individual rights. The right answer is third, B and A. B and A. Next, the following are features of anecdotal record except it is an accurate description of events. It describes personal development or social interaction of a child. It is a factual report with enough detail. It is subjective evidence of behavior and therefore does not provide feedback for scholastic area. The right answer is 4. Thanks for watching.